First, we spread 4 to 5 inches of clean gravel across the entire basement floor area. Then we compact it using a vibratory plate compactor to form a solid, stable base for the new concrete slab. This step prevents floor settlement and helps keep the concrete from cracking or shifting over time. Next, we install a Super 6 poly moisture barrier over the gravel bedding. This layer blocks ground moisture from evaporating into the concrete slab and the basement air, keeping the space dry and helping the new floor last longer. We always recommend installing 2 inches of rigid foam insulation under the new concrete slab. This R10 thermal layer separates the slab from the cold ground and keeps the basement floor warm and comfortable, almost like a wood floor. It also pays off over time by reducing heat loss and lowering your energy bills. For every new basement floor, we install welded steel wire mesh to reinforce the concrete. It ties the slab together, helps control cracking, and adds strength to the entire floor system. And now we pour the new concrete floor. The slab is usually 3 to 4 inches thick, and we use a 32 megapascal concrete mix for extra strength. After placement, the surface is leveled, troweled, and finished to achieve a clean, smooth look that's ready for flooring or a polished finish.